students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is the total revenue in rupees received from the sales of X units of a product is given by R of X is equals to 2x square minus 4x plus 5. The marginal revenue when X is equals to 2 is. So marginal revenue is actually the derivative of this. So after doing differentiation of this, we'll put X is equals to 2 and we'll get our marginal revenue. So R dash of X, which is derivative of this, it will be equals to differentiation of 2x square will become 4x, correct? Differentiation of 2x square will become 4x and differentiation of minus 4x will be minus 4 and differentiation of 5 will be 0. Now when x is equals to 2, we are supposed to find marginal error. So we'll put r dash of 2 will be marginal error when x is equals to 2. So is equals to 4 times 2 minus 4. So this is equals to 4 2s are 8 and 8 minus 4 will be equals to 4. So our correct answer will be 4. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.